What's going on, guys and girls? Owen Nick. New bikes came in. Suzuki GS850, Honda, Suzuki, a lot of Yamahas. These are all bikes that need love. There's a 350 Yamaha. They're cool bikes. Some Shadows. A lot of Hondas and Yamahas. CX500 Custom, that's in pretty good shape. It looks to be all together. Nothing missing. Probably an easy bike to get running. Probably clean the tank and do the carbs, and it's probably a runner. They're pretty decent bikes. There's 650 Yamaha. Yep. I know everyone wants those. Make choppers out of them. Let's see what else we got. The motorcycles. Another nice little Yamaha 360. That's actually a pretty clean bike, man. Just needs a bath. Seats not bad. The paint's gone though. Need painting. Let's go check out inside. Let's check out inside of Sport Wheels. See what we got. There's a row of sport bikes. On the Interceptor. Crusty though. A lot of sport bikes. Let's see what we got inside. Turn my light on here. Everything in here is a runner. A lot of bikes, man. All British right here. All British bikes. Here's a really nice Yamaha. XX650. Be a nice bike to do. BSA. BSA Hornet. BSA. BSA. Triumph. Nice looking Triumph too. Another Triumph. All BSAs. BSA, BSA, Royal Enfield, BSA, BSA that used to be mine and runs like a top, Royal Enfield. Now, let's see what we got over here. KZ900, 75. $750 Honda, Cali triple, 12 grand. It's pretty clean too. Got the stock pipes on it. It's a good buy for 12 grand. Another Cali triple, Cali triple, Cali triple, Cali triple. Honda Super Sports, Honda Chopper. But back here is another stash of British stuff. BSA. BSAs are all BSAs. Looks like everyone is a BSA. And one Indian. It's crusty, but it's all there except the headlight. MZ. More BSAs. They're all BSAs over there too. Nice looking Honda. All right, guys, I'm gonna go hunt around, see what I can find. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. You keep watching, I'll keep posting. Thanks. What's going on, people? LA Nick back in Minnesota at Sport Wheels, and they got a lot of stuff. It's just never ending. Some stuff's crusty and rusty outside, but a lot of stuff's not. We got a lot of buildings here and a lot of trucks. Trucks full of stuff. I want to check out this truck. I don't know, remember what's in this truck. I think it might be just nice gas tanks. I think. It's been a while. Yeah, nice gas tanks. See if we can go take a little peek in here. If I can get up here without killing myself. Getting old sucks, man. Oh. Let me break out my light. Yeah, gas tanks. A lot of gas tanks. GPZ, Kawasaki GPZ gas tank. Pretty nice shape too. They're actually good bad gas tanks, so they usually rust out. That one's in good condition, so if you need a GPZ gas tank, there you go. Super Sport 900 Honda gas tank. Well, a lot of gas tanks. Oh, it looks like new. It's dirty. Gas tanks. Watch where I walk in this hole in the floor. Suzuki gas tank. That's like the one off that race bike I had. DT4, a later model DT400. There's an earlier one, but it's all dented. Don't see anything Italian. Japanese and some Harley tanks. On the Shadow. On the 750. The size of that tank, massive. Yeah, I don't see anything that floats in my boat. Alright, I'm gonna get down. Y'all keep shooting, you keep watching. See you guys. Well, still searching. Wheels. Harley Davidson stuff. Looks like mostly newer stuff. Hot pipes. Don't see any engines. All the engines are inside the building over there. Alright. I'm going to go to this other fender trailer. I'm trying to find someone an RD350 front fender with no dents, no rust. So far, found two with no rust, but they both got dents. Which I imagine you could probably have someone bang them out, because they're not very thick metal. I like these old scooters, like these. These are cool. They're cool. Be cool to stick like a 175 two-stroke motor in one. Heck, you got enough here to build something, one nice one. Actually, just take this one and put a 175 motor in there. Be fun. This little Screamer. Gold wing Central. Alright, there's this fender trailer over here next to the BMW trailer. Maybe there's an RD fender in there. We shall see. You don't know till you look. People don't want to look, and that's why you don't find it. Shocks. Alright. Right here is a fender trailer. That's non-chrome fenders. This is chrome fenders. So I guess I'm gonna leave you guys here because it's gonna take me some time to look. Alright guys, keep watching, I'll keep posting. See you later. What's going on, guys and girls? That was Nick. Now that the winter's kind of gone and the weeds are gone, you can see what's out in the yard. Because before it was just too many weeds, man. A lot of dirt bikes and enduros. And I know people go, oh, that's just rusty junk, but there's still a lot of good parts out here, man. You need a head, or you need a frame or a rim. I mean, there's a lot of good rims and frames out here, and cylinder heads, and front ends. Heck, there's a nice set of gauges. The gauges are always gone on enduros, man. I think this is all... I believe this is all Suzuki, and over there I think it's all Yamaha. I'm looking for some Yamaha stuff, and then that corner's of the Kawasaki stuff, which was impossible to get to in spring because of all the weeds. Well, not spring, but summer. Yeah, this is all the Yamaha row, all DTs, DT 400s, DT 360s, all DTs. Looking for a DT 400 rear fender that ain't mulched. Because a lot of them are all bent up. It's a nice tank. Not rusted out either. And no dents. It's pretty rare. Oh, hard to walk around out here though. There's a lot of stuff, man. This ain't even part of it. This goes on forever. Actually, no, that one's busted up. That one's busted up. That's all Kawasaki stuff over there. DT. Years and years of bikes and parts, man. This is in central Minnesota. Sport Wheels. They have a website. They do sell parts, but they're very short-handed, so it's not the quickest turnaround time. It's not. They do have a bunch of eBay pages and pages that they sell stuff. Look at that. It's just all grab bars, man. Crazy. But yeah, this place just keeps going. This is all Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda over there too. And look at all those wheels. I'm trying to stay out of the mud. I got my good tennis shoes on. Might be something good at the bottom of that pile. Suzuki Gixxer wheel. I got a lot of bikes with white wheels, man. They're so hard to keep clean. Nightmare to keep white wheels clean. All right, well, I'm going back to what I was looking for before I forget what I was looking for. This place is overwhelming. So, all right, you keep watching, I'll keep shooting. See you guys.